What's up, everybody? I have an exciting new product to review and install today. I'm still in the middle of my head swap and upgrade, and I figured this would be another great addition for that. These are the Inconel pre-chamber diffuser inserts from Benz Injection. I also have a few of the 1581 upgraded steel ones to compare to show the difference, but both are an upgrade, the 1581 and the Inconel balls. The original diffusers can warp, change shape, or even break over time, mainly due if your injectors haven't been spraying correctly or if they've been dribbling. So if you have faulty injectors, there's a chance the original diffuser has been compromised. Now, if that diffuser breaks, it starts bouncing around the pre-chamber and eventually blows the pre-chamber out. Once this happens, you have the original steel insert now bouncing around in the cylinder. You tear up the piston, you tear up the head, and you tear up the valves at a minimum. So this upgrade is very, very important for those who are doing performance builds or for those who just want to have cheap insurance, knowing that these upgraded super alloy or these upgraded 1581 steel inserts are going to outlast the original diffuser pins. So I grabbed the 1581 steel insert. That's the one I'm currently holding in my hand. This one, like I said, is also an upgrade. It features the slit at the start of the insert to be able to position the pin correctly inside the pre-chamber. And here I'm showing a comparison. So in my left hand is the Inconel upgraded super alloy insert made up of nickel and probably some other alloys. And in my right hand is the 1581 steel insert, also an upgrade again. So notably, the one on the left, the Inconel insert, has a more rigid and rough appearance to it, and it's also a little bit larger than the 1581 insert. However, both of these are machined incredibly well. When I first got these diffuser pins, I noticed that they were a little bit longer than the stock ones. Expect them to be about 27.8, 27.9 millimeters. You're going to have to shave them down, and I already shaved down the 1581 steel one so that it fits flush in the pre-chamber. And I shaved it down to about 27.2. So that's the target number right there. And I'll show you guys how I did that. Here I'm trying to show the diameter of the ball insert. It's kind of hard to get an accurate number between the two, but I ended up taking a measurement of about 5.7 millimeters. Again, this one's the 1581 steel insert. And if you compare it to the Inconel insert, I got a measurement of like 5.9 to 6.2, so it's a little bit larger. To install the new diffuser pins, you're going to need to take your pre-chambers out. Now, to remove your pre-chambers, it's not tedious, but you do need a special tool, a slide hammer. You'll need to remove the glow plugs. I'm going to have a tutorial video shortly that I'll link down below on how to remove your pre-chambers. You'll also need kind of a generic punch set like this one I just bought on Amazon. And to shave down the pre-chamber pins to their correct length, I just bought this flat file from Harbor Freight. Here I'm just showing which punch within the set I used to remove the stock diffuser pin. I then inserted the new diffuser pin. I corrected the orientation of the diffuser pin. There is a special orientation for the pin, and that is why the slit is there. I then just gently gave the pin some taps, hammered it flush within the pre-chamber, and that's it. Now this pre-chamber has been ultrasonically cleaned, it's been upgraded, and it's ready for installation. Thank you guys for watching.